Large-scale industries. Industries which requires huge infrastructure and manpower with an influx capital assets are large-scale industries. In India, large-scale industries are the ones with a fixed asset more than 100 million rupees or 10 crore rupees. The Indian economy relies heavily on such industries for economic growth, generation of foreign currency, and the creation of job opportunities for millions of Indians. Some advantages of large scale industries. They provide an impetus to the industrialization of the country. Large scale industries usually produce capital and basic goods, instruments, machines, chemicals, etc. They are capable of generating funds for the research and development of new technologies. Due to the large scale of operations, they have the potential to lower the cost of goods. Further, they create opportunities for small scale and cottage industries to evolve and flourish. Also, the employment opportunities created by large scale industries are huge. Large scale industries in India. The term large scale is generic in nature and includes different types of industries. In India, the following heavy industries fall under the purview of large scale industries: iron and steel industry, textile industry, automobile and manufacturing industry, telecom industry. Over the last 2 decades, information and technology industry has evolved and has contributed huge revenues while creating thousands of jobs for Indians. Hence, many economists include it in the large scale industry sector. It is important to note that these industries are either manufacturing units or those which use both indigenous and imported technologies. Here are some more examples: fertilizer, cement, natural gas, coal, metal extraction, metal processing, petroleum mining, electrical, petrochemical, food processing units, tourism, banking, sugar, construction, automobile, communication equipment, cement, chemicals, earth movers, consumer durables like television, refrigerators, etc., engineering products, vehicle assembly, beverages, agriculture processing, insurance and finance, Ambuja Cement, Ranbaxy for medicine, LG, Samsung, Sony, Nestle, PNG, Patanjali. In recent years, as the markets opened up due to globalization, there has been a mixed effect on large scale industries. There are some who have managed to attract international customers, foreign trade, and technology tie ups. However, there are also others who were unable to cope with the competitiveness ushered in by the